Alright, we're good. Yep.
Alright, this is game 2 of season 2. Heads or tails?
Tails.
Heads. It is tails. Alright, who's he ready for?
We want them going that way.
Welcome everybody to game 2 of season 2 of the SSPO. We're kicking things off with Dan catching a 15-yard pass. Second down for the Bolts, and Brady's going to get the ball. He's going to get past defenders, and he's going to run it in for a touchdown. Bolts. 2-point attempt for the Bolts is good. Quick start for the Bolts. Facing another new team called the Locomotives. New team added in season 2. To see if the Locomotives can answer back. First down for the Locomotives. Incomplete. Second down for the Locomotives. And incomplete again. Third down for the Locomotives. They got to convert here. Going cut by Jordan and get the first down. First and goal for the Locomotives. Going deep. And great defense. Second and goal for the Locomotives. And it's going to be caught. Third and goal now. Gotta get in the end zone if they want to get back in this game. And incomplete again. Fourth and goal. So now or never for the Locomotives right now. And it is going to be caught. Touchdown Locomotives. 2-point attempt for the Locomotives.
Yeah.
Is no good. Great defense by Dan. They're going to get the ball back. James, heck of a game in week 1. He had 600 yards for 7 to 8 TDs, and he might get another one because no one can get him. He's getting past everyone. Touchdown Bolts. James is such an explosive player. And intercepted. Can he run it back for the 2 points? And no, he can't. Get stopped. Locomotives were able to prevent another 2-point attempt. Bolts only up by 8. Kicked out of bounds. Locomotives get another shot. Caught, and he's gonna get near a first down. Second down, caught by Patrick, and that is a first down for the Locomotives. First and goal. And caught by Isaac. Touchdown Locomotives. Can they get the 2 points? No, they can't. Good read by Dan. 14-12. Still a close game. Week 1 was a close game until the Bolts woke up from their slumber. The Seagulls they lost control. James has the ball again. He's going to get past defenders. Will he run it back again? No, he won't. Run out of bounds. But it will be first and goal for the Bolts. Jason looking, and great catch by James. Touchdown Bolts. James on fire in the early going of this game. Jason's looking. He's going to run it himself, and he's going to get past defender. 2-point attempt is good for the Bolts. Up by 10 now. Going to get past the defender, and he's going to get a first down. First and goal for the Locomotives. And going to be caught.
It's 1. It's 2 hands.
And he's going to get past defenders. Is this going to be a touchdown? Yes. Touchdown Locomotives. Locomotives are not giving up. Caught. 2-point attempt is good. Bolts are now up by 2 now.
Alright, we're good. We're good.
James gonna get past more defenders. So difficult to get James. Will he get tagged? Oh, lateral back to Maddox. Maddox is going to get stopped. But it is going to be first down for the Bolts. First and goal. Going deep and caught by James. Touchdown, Bolts. Bolts are not giving this lead up one bit. Two-point attempt for the Bolts. Is going to be good. Great toe tap. 2-point attempt is good. Great catch by Braden. 10-point lead for the Bolts. First down for the Locomotives. They got to make something happen deep. Incomplete.
1,
Second
2,
down for
3,
the Locomotives.
4.
Gonna go deep again. And it's gonna be caught. Touchdown, Locomotives. And
Go.
intercepted by Jason. Can he run it back for 2 points? He will get the 2 points. Bolts fire back with a 2-point interception. Try to go for an onside kick but failed. Bolts get the ball. Braden's gonna run it and
1, 2.
gonna get a little bit of
3,
yards.
4.
Jason caught and touchdown. Bolts.
1, 2, 3, 4.
2-point attempt is good. Caught by Maddox. $14-point lead for the Bolts. He's gonna get past defenders, but then get stopped by 2 more. First down for the Locomotives and gonna get past defenders. Touchdown,
1, 2,
Locomotives.
3, 4.
This
5.
game is just back and forth, and it's going to be incomplete. No good on the 2-point attempt. Another onside kick, and they're going to
1, 2.
fail it again. Going to be caught
1
by
2,
Maddox.
3.
Bolts have a chance. Caught again by James, and he's going to get in. Touchdown,
1,
Bolts.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Caught again. 2-point attempt is good. 16-point
1,
lead.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
He's going to get past. No, he's actually going to get
1,
stopped.
2, 3.
Locomotives now going deep and nothing. Incomplete.
1, 2.
Locomotives
3.
again. Gonna go deep. Caught by
1,
Sincere.
2,
Touchdown, Locomotives.
4, 5.
2-point attempt.
6, 7.
No good. 10-point lead still for the Bolts. This game is just back and
1.
forth. Can he get past? No, he will not.
1.
Gonna be first down. First and goal for
3,
the Bolts.
4.
Gonna go deep, and it's gonna be caught, and a touchdown for the Bolts again.
1, 2.
Explosive first half for the Bolts.
5.
Jason looking and no good. Incomplete on the 2-point attempt. Gonna kick it deep and it's gonna be a touchback.
1.
First down for the
2,
Locomotives.
3, 4, 5.
Going deep and nowhere.
1,
Incomplete.
2.
Going deep again. It's gonna be intercepted. Can he run it back for the touchdown? No, he will not. First and goal for the Bolts. They can go up by even
2,
more.
3, 4.
Jason
5.
looking. Going deep for Dan. Caught. Touchdown. Bolts.
1, 2.
And 2-point attempt is good for the Bolts. We're almost at the end of the first quarter. Onside kick. They had to redo the kick and gonna get the ball for the Locomotives. And will they get a touchdown? No, they won't. But it's gonna be first and goal for the Locomotives. Gonna get past defenders. Touchdown, Locomotives.
1, 2, 3.
18-point lead. And it'll be caught. 2-pointer is good. But we are gonna see the Bolts on offense
2,
again.
3.
Going deep, intended. I don't know who that was intended for, but almost picked.
1.
It is incomplete. Second down for the Bolts. James has the ball and he's going to get tagged. But it's going to be first and goal for the Bolts.
3.
Jason looking and it's going to be incomplete. Almost had it.
2, 3.
Jason caught. Touchdown. Bolts caught by Maddox.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Jason is looking.
5, 6.
Going deep for Dan, but great defense by Jordan. Gonna get the ball back again. Locomotives need a touchdown here if they want a chance to get back in this game. Down by 22 points.
2, 3, 4.
Caught by Jordan. He's gonna
1.
second down
2,
for the Locomotives.
3.
Caught by Sincere. He's gonna get past the defender. He's gonna get in. Touchdown, Locomotives.
2, 3, 4.
Caught. 2-point attempt is good. We are now in the second quarter of Game 2 of Season 2 of the SSFL.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Caught by Sincere. He's going to get stopped. Second down for the Locomotives.
1.
A touchdown here could bring them back into the game.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Locomotives are looking. They're going to get the first down. First and goal for the Locomotives.
3.
And great defense, nearly picked by Jason. Second and goal for the Locomotives.
4, 5.
And no, caught out of bounds. Third and goal for the Locomotives.
3, 4, 5.
Deep and nearly picked by James. Fourth and goal for the Locomotives.
4, 5.
And great defense. Turnover on downs. Bolts have a chance to go up by more
1,
points.
2, 3.
Have a chance to go up by 20.
4.
Going deep for Dan, but can't get it. A little over, a little too high.
2, 3.
Couldn't reach for it all the way.
4.
Going deep again, and Braden cannot hang on to it.
1.
Third down
2,
for the Bolts.
3, 4, 5.
Jason looking, and he's going to get picked. Locomotives get the ball back.
1, 2.
Locomotives are back in this
3,
game. Caught.
1,
Get tagged.
2,
Second and goal.
3, 4, 5,
Looking.
6.
Is going to be caught by Patrick. Touchdown, Locomotives.
1, 2, 3.
Game's just back and forth.
5,
Locomotives are not dead yet. And 2-point is good. They are back in this game. Only down by 6.
1.
Locomotives have a chance here. They just got to play defense. Oh, got a bob and weave. He's gone. Touchdown, Bolts. What a way to answer.
1.
Now they are back up by 12.
3.
Going deep and caught. Great catch. 2-pointer is good for the Bolts. 14-point lead for the Bolts now. Caught. Going to get past that defender. And it is going to be touchdown for the Locomotives. This game is just back and forth.
1, 2, 3, 4.
2-point attempt
6.
for Locomotives is no good. He dropped the ball while he was trying to throw it. Down by 8. Oh, going to get past defenders. You're going to get a first down. First and goal for the Bolts.
1, 2, 3.
Going deep, and he's going to be caught.
1, 2.
Bolts have a chance to get a touchdown. Can they get it? No, incomplete.
1, 2, 3.
Jason's looking, going deep, and no one there.
1, 2.
Bolts need to do something if they want to keep this lead.
5, 6, 7. 1,
Can't do anything. Turnover on downs.
1.
Locomotives have a chance to get back in the game.
3.
Going to be caught by Isaac. He's going to get past defenders. Oh, it's going to be a lateral. Back to Sincere. He's going to get past more defenders. And he's gone. Touchdown, Locomotives. 2-pointer could bring them back in this game and tie it up.
4.
What a turn of events for the Locomotives. And the 2-pointer is good. The Locomotives have tied this game. We have a game, ladies and gentlemen. This game is not over. But the question is, can the Bolts
1,
stay in this game, or has the gas run out of the tank? No, it has not. Touchdown, Bolts. They strike back
1,
quick and fiercely.
3, 4.
2-point attempt for the
5,
Bolts
6.
is gonna be no good. Up by 6. Onside kick is no good. And Sincere might run it back. Gonna lateral it back to his teammate. And his teammate's gonna get stopped.
2, 3.
Locomotives. Oh, nearly picked by
1,
James.
2.
Bolts defense has been good, but they got to be even better if they want
1,
to win this game, because they
2,
got to prevent the Locomotives
3,
from scoring.
4, 5, 6.
Looking, and he's going to be caught. And Isaac's trying to get past defenders, and he can't.
1, 2.
Looking,
3,
and he's going to be tossed to Patrick. Touchdown,
1,
Locomotives.
2.
They have tied the game. 2-point attempt, and they
4.
can get a 2-point lead, and it is good. The Locomotives are in the lead. I believe that's their first lead of the game. The Bolts are choking this game right now. They cannot afford to lose this game. And incomplete. The Bolts are in shambles right now.
1, 2, 3.
Second down, and it's going to be caught. Gonna get past defenders? No. Get tagged. First and goal.
2,
Bolts got to do something.
3, 4, 5.
Jason's looking, and can't get, nope,
2.
nothing. Bolts need a score here. Braden getting past defenders. He's going to get past them. Touchdown, Bolts. They strike back again. Up by 4. I think this might be the first ever close game in Sports Squad history.
3, 4.
Jason's looking and going to be caught by Maddox.
1,
2-point attempt is good.
1.
Toss it to Patrick.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Looking. Caught by Patrick again.
1,
But it was a dead ball.
2, 3, 4.
Caught by Isaac. Gonna get the first down. First and goal for the Locomotives.
2, 3.
Up by 6 is the Bolts. And it's gonna be caught. Touchdown, Locomotives.
1,
Locomotives are not dead.
3,
They keep fighting.
4, 5.
2-point attempt for the Locomotives is good. Up by 2 again. And onside kick is no good. And Braden's going to try to run it back. Going to get past defenders. And will he run it back? Yes, he will. Touchdown, Bolts. Up by 4 is the Bolts.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Going and great defense. No good on the 2-point attempt. Bolts have to kick it back to Locomotives where they're only up by 4. This game could go either way. Kicking it deep. Touchback. Locomotives have the ball and tagged.
1, 2.
Second down for the Locomotives, and they're going to get a first down. First and goal for the Locomotives.
2.
Going deep, and he's going to be caught by Sincere. Touchdown, Locomotives. 2-point lead. And it is now a 4-point lead. Locomotives have taken over this game. They've taken over the game. Another onside kick, it is not good. Bolts need to answer back. Cannot get past defenders. First and goal for the Bolts. 4-point deficit. They were up as much as 22 points in this game. Now they are down by 4.
1.
Is there no more gas in that tank for the Bolts? James is not going to let this game slip out of their hands.
1,
Touchdown, Bolts. 2-point
3.
lead. Going for Braden, and Braden catches it. Touchdown. Oh, sorry, my bad. This game has just been crazy. 2-point attempt is good for the Bolts. An onside kick has failed.
2,
4-point lead for the Bolts.
4.
Going deep and intercepted by Maddox.
Hey, block.
Oh, what a huge play this late in the game. The Bolts needed that. Oh, it was a fumble. Oh, James gets tagged, but he gets it back. Picks it back up. Braden trying to get past defenders. He's going to get at least a first down and stopped by Patrick. First and goal for the Bolts. That interception was very
1,
crucial.
2.
Going deep. No good. Incomplete. Caught by Maddox. Touchdown, Bolts. 10-point lead for the Bolts.
1.
The interception
2.
saved their tails. No good for the 2-point attempt, but a 10-point lead for the Bolts. But the Locomotives,
By 1.
from what we've seen in this game, I don't think they are going to give up that easily.
1, 2, 3.
Looking.
4.
Caught.
1, 2.
Locomotives, man.
3, 4.
They're trying to win this game. They're trying to get this lead. Keep it. It's going to be a touchdown for the Locomotives.
2.
Down by 4.
3, 4.
Looking.
5.
He's going to be caught by Jordan. 2-point attempt is good. 2-point lead for the Bolts now. They have control. They can get another touchdown. It just depends. Will their offense be better than the Locomotives' defense? Trying to bob and weave and get past defenders, and he can't. It's
One.
going to be first and goal for the Bolts, though.
Three.
Going deep and incomplete. Second and goal for the Bolts.
1, 2, 3.
Touchdown is crucial.
4.
Caught by Dan. Touchdown, Bolts.
1, 2.
8-point lead. Going to be caught by Maddox, and he's going to go in for the 2-point attempt. 10-point lead yet again for the Bolts. Locomotives.
1.
Got to do something.
2, 3.
They're running out of time in this
4.
game. Going deep. Nearly caught. Incomplete.
One.
Second down for the Locomotives.
3, 4.
Going deep and caught by Sincere. Touchdown, Locomotives.
1, 2.
4-point lead for the Bolts
3.
now. And he's going to get sacked on the 2-point attempt. 4-point lead right now. The Locomotives have to come up with a turnover if they want to win this game. This is the final drive. Locomotives have enough timeouts to draw the clock, and it was a sack by Isaac. Second and goal for the Bolts. Locomotives have to stop them here. Jason's going to run it in. Touchdown, Bolts. The Bolts are going to win this game. 2-point attempt is no good. The Bolts win a nail biter.